Hi students, I welcome you all for the class 3. After watching each video, you should comment yes in the comment section. That will be your attendance. Okay. Example, express cos phi theta, cos power phi theta, sin cube theta in terms of sine multiples of theta. Okay. We know that z plus 1 by z equals 2 cos theta and z minus 1 by z equals 2 I sin theta. Instead of cos power phi theta, take 2 cos theta whole power phi. Sin cube theta, instead of sin cube theta, take 2I sin theta whole cube equals 2 cos theta value z plus 1 by z to the power phi, 2I sin theta value z minus 1 by z to the power 3. Okay. Z plus 1 by z to the power phi can be written as z plus 1 by z square into z plus 1 by z whole cube into this term z minus 1 by z whole cube. Okay. Z plus 1 by z whole square. This is a plus b, a minus b form. A square minus b square whole cube, that is z square minus 1 by z square, power is 3, so whole power 3. Z plus 1 by z whole square. Now apply binomial for theorem for this term, that is 3c naught z square. This is first term, this is a z square to the power 3 plus 3c1 z square to the power 2 minus 1 by z square plus 3c2 z square to the power 1 minus 1 by z square to the power 2 plus 3c3 minus 1 by z square to the power 3. Expand this one, a plus b whole square form, z square plus 2ab, 2 into z into 1 by z plus 1 by z square, 1 by z square into 3c naught value 1, z square to the power 3, z power 6, 3c1 value 3, z square to the power 2, z square, z power 4 minus 1 by z square plus 3c2 value 3, z square to the power 1, z square minus 1 by z square whole square is 1 by z power 4, 3c3 value 1 minus 1 by z square whole cube value minus 1 by z power 6. Z square, z 1 by z cancel, 2, 1 by z square, z power 6 plus into minus, minus z power 4 by z square, 3z square plus 3 z square z power 4, 1 by z square plus into minus, minus 1 by z power 6. Z square into z power 6, z power 8, z square into minus 3z square, minus 3z power 4, z square into 3, 1 by z square is 3, z square into minus 1 by z power 6, minus 1 by z power 4. Next multiply by 2. 2 into z power 6, 2z power 6, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 z square, 2 into 3, 6, 1 by z square, 2 into minus, minus 2 by z power 6 plus 1 by z square into z power 6, z power 4, 1 by z square into minus 3z square, minus 3, 1 by z square into plus 3 into 1 by z square plus 3 1 by z power 4. Z power 1 by z square into minus 1 by z power 6 is minus 1 by z power 8. Next rearrange the terms. Z power 8 minus 1 by z power 8. This one minus 3z power 4 plus z power 4 minus 2 times z power 4. Okay. Next minus 1 by z power 4 plus 3 into 1 by z power 4 is 2 by z power 4. 2z power 6 is 2z power 6 minus 2 by z power 6 minus 6z square plus 6 by z square this one. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Z power 8 minus 1 by Z power 8 plus take 2 common, Z power 6 minus 1 by Z power 6 minus 2 common, Z power 4 minus 1 by Z power 4 minus 6 common, Z square minus 1 by Z square. Z power 8 minus 1 by Z power 8, by using standard formula we can write 2i sin 8 theta plus 2 into, this can be written as 2i sin 6 theta minus 2, this is 2i sin 4 theta minus 6, 2i sin 2 theta. In all these terms take 2i common, sin 8 theta plus 2 into sin 6 theta minus 2 into sin 4 theta minus 6 sin 2 theta. LHS is 2 cos theta whole power 5, 2 power 5 cos power 5 theta, 2 power 3 I cube sin cube theta. Okay, 2 power 5 cos power 5 theta, 2 cube I cube sin cube theta. Okay, cos power 5 theta sin cube theta. 2 power 5, 2 power 3 is 2 power 8, goes to the denominator, I cube, numerator 2i, and the remaining terms. 2 power 8, we have 1 by 2 power 7. I by I cube is 1 by I square value minus, so minus 1 by 2 power 7 into sin 8 theta plus 2 sin cos theta minus 2 sin 4 theta minus sin 6 sin 2 theta. Okay, next example, same example. Express sin power 4 theta cos square theta in terms of cosine multiples of theta. Okay, consider, instead of sin, take 2i sin theta whole power 4 cos 2 cos theta whole square. 2i sin theta is z minus 1 by z whole power 4. 2 cos theta is z plus 1 by z whole square. This can be written as z minus 1 by z whole square into z minus 1 by z whole square into this term. Z minus 1 by z whole square, a minus b, a plus b form z square minus 1 by z square whole power 2. Next, a minus b whole square, z square minus 2z 1 by z plus 1 by z square. This is a minus b whole square form. Z square z power 4 minus 2ab 2z square into 1 by z square plus b square 1 by z square whole square 1 by z power 4. Z square z cancel minus 2 plus 1 by z square, z power 4 z square cancel minus 2 plus 1 by z power 4. Next, multiply z square into z power 4, z power 6, z square into minus 2 z square into 1 by z power 4 1 by z square minus 2 into z power 4 minus 2 z power 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 1 by z power 4 minus 2 by z power 4. 1 by z square into z power 4 z square, 1 by z square into minus 2 by z square, 1 by z square into 1 by z power 4 is 1 by z power 6. Now rearrange the terms. Z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 minus 2 z square 1 by z power, take minus 2 common, z power 4 minus 2 is common, 1 by z power 4. Next, minus 2 is common, z square, this is 1 by z square plus 4. Z power 6 plus 1 by z power 6 is 2 cos 6 theta minus 2 into 2 cos 4 theta minus 2 cos theta plus 4. Take 2 common, LHS 2i sin theta whole power 4 is 2 power 4, I power 4 sin power 4 theta, 2 cos theta whole square is 2 square cos square theta equals 2 into cos 6 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta plus 2. 2 power 4 into 2 power 2 power 6. 2 by 2 power 6 is 1 by 2 power 5. I power 4 value 1. So LHS sin power 4 theta cos square theta equals 1 by 2 power 5 equals into cos 6 theta minus 2 cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta plus 2. Okay, next topic, hyperbolic functions. To solve some examples on hyperbolic functions, we should know some formulae. That is, sin hx, hyperbolic function of sine is sin hx equals e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Hyperbolic function of cos is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Cosecant hx equals 2 divided by e power x minus e power minus x, reciprocal of sin hx. Secant hx equals 2 divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Tan hx equals e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. This is sin by cos. Cot hx equals e power x plus e power minus x divided by e power x minus e power minus x. Sin x equals e power ix minus e power minus ix divided by 2i. Cos x equals e power ix plus e power minus ix divided by 2.